Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time with this video. I'm going to showing you how to make this effect or this picture. You can see this firelight, old firelight, how you can add it this firelight to this picture and change this picture in the day to night. Okay, let's go. Starting going to the Photoshop and going to the open and getting the background of day. Okay, making a zoom and going to the new and select default Photoshop size and create. And now turn to the file or folder and get the firelight, old firelight, and dropping here and click done or click the true symbol or done symbol. Okay, now turn to here and go to the list and go to the color lookup and go to the load 3D and select moonlight 3D or night or day, any one of this. So now turn to the light, firelight, okay, and go to select the object selection tool, and now click here, just a one click. When make it a border, press and hold Ctrl J and click the switch and background and delete. Press at the delete button from your keyboard. And now turn and click again at the layer of the light or the firelight and go to the list and go to the color lookup and go to the load 3D and select the moonlight 3D L. And now press and hold the control and select the layer, all layer, okay, and moving to here. You can see. And go to the select the moving tool and move it, resize again. And now click done and make a zoom. And now go to this tool, get the tool to making a border as a circle or like circle. Okay, make a circle and go to here and click here and go to field color. You can using any color for this light, okay, to making a light. I just for review, for example, I get it this color. Okay, so now press OK again, and when they make it a object circle, select the moving tool and go to select visible, and you can resize it. Okay, there's no problem. So you can now click done and go to filter, go to blur gallery and get fire blur and go to here, and now just change the light of the circle. Okay, change the effect and click OK and make a new circle again. So you can following the first step. Okay, you can make this like a first step. And we're making a new biggest circle again. Sorry, that's canceling it, so just we need to deselect and clicking at the circle and turning to the filter and blur gallery again, fire blur. So now it's succeeded, you can see. And click the OK. And now this video is come to end. I hope if you love this, don't forget like and share to learning and other people's, and subscribe my channel to see more video next time. So thank you for watching, see you next time.